In today's video, I will walk you through how to add scrolling credits in CapCut PC. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add text credits, customize the appearance, and create a scrolling animation using keyframes inside CapCut. To begin, go to the top left section of CapCut and click on Text. Make sure Add Text is selected, then choose the default text option and drag it onto your timeline. Place the text clip near the end of your video where you want the scrolling credits to appear. Once the text clip is added, click on it in the timeline. After selecting the text, move to the top right section and click on Text. Then stay under the Basic tab. Inside the text box, type your credits and enter the names or information you want to display. After entering the text, you can customize how it looks. Choose your preferred font style from the font list. If the font needs to download, wait for the download to complete and it will automatically apply to the text. You can also adjust the font size from the same settings panel. To resize all the text together, click inside the text box and press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to highlight everything. Then change the font size as needed. Once your text is ready, scroll down to the Position section. Move the playback cursor to the very beginning of the text clip on the timeline. With the text clip selected, go to the preview screen and drag the text to the starting position where you want the credits to begin. After placing the text in the starting position, go back to the position settings and click on the Add Keyframe button. You will see a small diamond icon appear to confirm the keyframe has been added. Next, move the playback cursor to the end of the text clip on the timeline. Once you are at the end, go back to the position settings and click on the Add Keyframe button, then click and drag the text upward in the preview window to the position where you want the credits to finish scrolling. Use the center guideline if you want to keep the text aligned in the middle of the screen. After repositioning the text, the scrolling effect will automatically be created between the two keyframes. If you want the scrolling credits to move slower, extend the text clip by dragging the edge of the clip further along the timeline. Then move the final keyframe to the new end position of the clip. Once done, play the video back to preview your scrolling credits. And that is how you add scrolling credits in CapCut PC.